Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, sharing with you all an affordable 3-bedroom property. This is Bunbury from Anwyl Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This property was actually suggested by one of our subscribers and we did make an effort to go and view it and showcase for you. This is located in Chester, very near to Chester University. You also have a good shopping center nearby. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living room, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your first floor, kitchen, dining and the living room. So let's check out the living room which is coming in the front. As you can see, it's a nice comfortable living room with decent space. You're getting a nice big window towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in the living room. Now another interesting feature about this property is they're providing you with this mounted TV wall unit, which is quite rare. We haven't seen this in other properties. Now if you feel this distance is too near, you can plan it towards the other side. Overall, a decent living room with good space. Now let's move towards the kitchen and the dining, which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. You also have the garden access to the French doors given in here. It's not a very lengthy kitchen, but again if you observe, both the kitchen and the dining areas have got their own spaces, which is a good thing. Towards the kitchen side you have a well spread out worktop on all the 3 sides, and you're getting a nice window, so plenty of natural light falling in this kitchen. You also get this integrated fridge, freezer and double oven. The boiler is coming here in the kitchen, and you have plenty of cupboards both at the bottom and even at the top. Now let's move towards the dining space. As you can see, you can easily plan a very big dining table towards the other side with 6 to 8 chairs, and again there's plenty of room space to walk around. The French doors also are wide and big, so plenty of natural light falling here in the dining space. You'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. In most of the 3-bedroom properties, you normally don't get space to plan a good dining table. But here, if you check out this kitchen, the space is really good, wherein the kitchen is towards one side and the other side you actually have decent space. I really liked it. Now here you're getting a small storage space. You can plan something inside this. They have given a door and lock for this. Now let's check out the washroom, which is coming here in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your right side. It's a small and decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and you're also getting a nice window towards one side. So there is ventilation even in this washroom. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, as I told you, you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So first, let's check out the master bedroom. So it's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed and there's enough room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. Towards the opposite side, they plan the wardrobes. I also like the wardrobe space which they gave in this room. They designed it really well. It's going inside the wall and it's not taking that extra room space. Now let's check out the attached bath. So this is the bathroom which is coming with the bedroom here. Again, the space is quite okay. You have a water closet, sink, and towards the other side they gave the walk-in shower. And you're also getting a window in this bathroom. When they actually plan a bathroom like this, giving the shower cubicle towards one side and the water closet towards the other side, it looks bigger. If you literally look at it, the space, the width is little small, but again, because they planned it well, it looks big and decent. Now if you want to maximize your room space, you can actually plan a dressing table like this here. But if you don't want to close the door always, it's better to plan some kind of wardrobes here or hang your coats and stuff. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. Now let's check out the common family bathroom which is coming just beside it. Again, the space is okay. They gave a bathtub, water closet, sink, and you're getting a wide window. Now before moving towards the second bedroom, let's check out the small storage space which is coming in between. You can actually hang your coats in this place and plant something at the bottom as well if you want to. Now let's check out the second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. As you can see, it looks very bright and beautiful. You can plan a double cot or a king size bed if you want to, and still you have good space to walk around. You're getting nice wide windows towards one side, so plenty of light falling in this room. Now towards the other side they plan the wardrobes. If you want, you can plan one like this. Nice bedroom with really good space. I also like the interiors done in this room and also in this entire house. They look little different from the ones we have seen so far. Overall, a decent second bedroom. Now let's check out the third bedroom of the house. So this is the third bedroom. It's smaller than the double bedroom because the third bedroom will be always smaller comparatively. You can plan a kid's cot in this room and you have good space to walk around. You're getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light falling in the bedroom. So we covered all the rooms in this property. As I told you, it's a 3-bedroom house, still comfortable. And here on the staircase also you're getting a nice window. So these are the front visuals of the house. Nice property, good layout and location. If you're looking to invest in properties, then these kind of locations would be good because you have a university nearby and a very big shopping complex. There's always demand for houses here. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.